Hey guys, Teaira here. Welcome back to my channel. It is 2019. Happy freaking New Year's. It's 2019. I feel like 2020 is next year, and like in my mind, 2020 was so far-fetched. Like how I'm about to be 25 this year. I'm a grown woman. I am a full-blown adult now. 25. I hope you accomplish all of your goals, and I love you guys so much, and I hope to just bring so much to you guys this year. And this year is my year to just work on myself and perfecting my craft and just becoming a better artist and just influencer and a better person. So I hope you guys go on this journey with me. I'm gonna stop talking. Today is a freaking review, okay? Let's just get into that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. Let's just get into it. This light is shining. Like, it's trying to tell me I'm to stop. Today I'm doing a review. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Concealer. It's a new concealer, and I think this is what I've been looking for because I use the same two or three concealers, and it gets kind of boring. So you want like a new product that you can just really go to, you know? And I think this is the product. I've been wearing this concealer for the past couple of days, and I can finally give a review. This came out the day, New Year's Day, January 1st, but it does not launch until January 11th. So I'm gonna give you guys my full, honest review, and I'm excited. I just wanted to show you guys how I look without like the concealer. I have bags. Like, I just got back from Australia. I was there for over 2 weeks, and sis is jet lagged. It was a 14-hour, I had a 14-hour flight, but it was a 17-hour flight. It was a 17-hour time zone difference, and I'm jet lagged. Like, I'm still exhausted, and the bags are there. See if we can cover these babies. I just want to show you guys without my foundation, so I'm gonna put my foundation on. I'm such a NARS whore. I'm gonna use the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation because this is moisturizing, and I need to just get my skin right, get my skin popping. So, and the concealer is actually a matte concealer. It dries to matte, so I don't like too many matte products. So I have to moisturize. So that's why I'm sticking with my NARS. But I have a new foundation that I'm gonna try out. So I'm not gonna use NARS every day, I promise. I love this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I use this before my makeup, sometimes after, only a little bit after. Like, I spray like 2-3 times. And because if you spray too much of this on your already done face, you would just be oily and your makeup isn't gonna last. But I like that it gives you just a little dewy, and it's just moisturizing. I love this stuff. Oh yeah, Happy New Year's, by the way. This is my first video of 2019. This is like becoming my favorite go-to wig to film in. Oh, I got glitter in my hair. This foundation covers a lot also. I like a good, this is like a full coverage. It definitely covers everything. I have like one bag. Oh no, it's on this side. This bag is peeping through. I have glitter just all up in my hair. You would think I was at the strip club. Wow, skin. Okay, so Fenty Beauty was nice enough to send me 2 of their concealers. I have 280, which is my highlighter shade, and I have 360. I haven't really tried this just because it's more of like my skin tone. So I usually highlight when I use my concealer. It's just very sleek packaging. It's cute. It's very simple. It's Fenty. Fenty is like one of the brands that I will just spend my coin on. Like, just spend on my money. Take it. Just take it off. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the concealer. So this concealer will be available on January 11th. It's $26. You get a good amount. Let's see, it's 8 milliliters. It's 0.27 fluid ounces, so you get a good amount in here. Rihanna calls it the cure. So she launched it a day after the day of New Year's. So she's like, if you had a hangover or just those days where you just need an extra boost, this is the cure. It gets your bags together, it packs it all up, tuck it in there, and the cure. Okay, so it's a creamy concealer. It is definitely creamy. I can testify to that. It's long wearing, it lasts, and it is crease proof. So everything you need in a concealer. So it does dry down to matte, so that's why I usually just moisturize. I'm the moisturizing queen. Everything that I use has to be moisturizing, except my concealer. Sometimes, unless I'm going for that extra dewy, I love the NARS concealer, but if I just want my face to be beat to the gods, sometimes I always use a matte concealer. You guys already know this. Okay, one thing that I'm super excited about is that it comes in 50 shades. The range, I feel like, what, Fenty Beauty outdo every brand when it comes to the shade range. It's amazing. Like, I don't have the darkest or the lightest shade to show you. I truly wish I did, but I will post a picture right here. The shade range is impeccable. I feel like Fenty Beauty is just speechless, okay? I really was so freaking shook when you guys will see. So this is like my highlighter shade in 280. And you really don't need a lot. I usually go in twice with my concealers. Like, I'll apply it under my eyes and then blend it out and then apply it again. But with this concealer, I haven't had to, cake it. And it's super creamy. Consistency is truly amazing. I have no complaints at all. Because it's creamy when you apply it, but then you know how some concealers get sticky? This concealer doesn't get sticky, it just dries down to matte, which is a plus. I mean, I don't mind a sticky concealer either, but. And it blends out like a dream. It just blends into your foundation and your skin. This is like my perfect highlighter shade. I just made my nose look so huge. You're gonna have to fix that. Look at that blend. So easy to blend. And it's so creamy, you don't have to rush to blend it out. Like, you know how some concealers, which it annoys the mess out of me, it irks me, you just have to hurry up and blend it up, or it won't really blend in seamlessly, because it dries down so quickly. This doesn't do that. I truly just don't understand how they get it right on the first try. Like, y'all, look at my foundation piece already. I think a lot of thought and work was put into this Fenty, and you can tell. You can tell. I'm gonna use my setting powder, the Laura Mercier, and the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder mixed together. I truly just don't have to go in a second round. Like, that is not normal for me at all. Like, you always have to set your concealer, always, for it to last. I have like this dry, I don't know if you guys can see, I have this dry patch right here, and it's so annoying. I was in Australia, and it's so, I don't know. The sun out there is different. It is so different. So my skin has been acting crazy. Like, I've been getting dry patches on my arms, and I don't know, my skin. I'm just gonna finish my face. I'll be right back. I am back. So this is my face finished. Beat to the goals, okay? I am obsessed with this simple beat. I don't know why my foundation is creasing around my mouth. That's a little annoying. I gotta fix that a little. But yeah, I really like this look. The concealer is like the perfect highlight shade for me. I am in 280. Yep, I am in 280. And I really like it. It's been my go-to for the past couple of days. I've just been like, I wanted to review it too, but it's also been like, okay, I really like this concealer. Like, sis, Rihanna, I love you, but stop taking all my coins. Like, every time I'm in Sephora, I'm always picking up something Fenty. Always. Stop. I'm saying the product is so good. Like, the quality is good. You know, like, just good. And I am super impressed. And I mean, I'm not impressed because it is Rihanna, and like she just brings quality to us people, but I was just shocked because I'm like very stuck in my ways sometimes, as you guys can tell, like with my foundation and my concealer that I usually use. You know, I'm usually stuck in my ways, and I don't like to just pick up a new product. And this product, it just makes me want to pick it up and use it, you know? So I'm happy. It's Tearawalker approved, you guys. I think you will love it. Let me know if you try it. It will be available January 11th at fentybeauty.com or Sephora. I'm a fan. And it's like, it's $26. It's kind of a lot of money. It really is a lot of money, but I mean, I feel like the product takes you a long way. Like I said, I didn't have to apply 2 layers. You know what I'm saying? I usually apply 2 layers. I only applied 1, and for me to just be so jet lagged and having these Gucci bags all out here, you know what I'm saying? Because I got some bags right now. They're real. This jet lag is no joke. If you guys have been jet lagged before, you know it's no joke. So I like it. This is like y'all, I'm gonna call this my YouTube wig, because every time I go to film YouTube videos, I throw this wig on. I don't know what it is, but it's just a great YouTube wig. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications. I will see you guys later. Love you guys so much.